Greetings. Bookmarks or chapters let you jump to key moments in audio or video instantly. PotPlayer makes it easy to add and manage them. Right-click in the player. Go to Playback, Chapter or Bookmark. Click Add Bookmark, or use the shortcut key P to insert a bookmark. Click a bookmark on the timeline to jump instantly. Or you can select a bookmark from the Bookmarks menu. From the Bookmarks menu, click Edit Bookmark. On the Bookmark Editor window, select the video title. Click the Edit button to edit the timings and titles of the saved bookmark. You can also choose and edit an individual bookmark. On the Bookmark Editor window, choose an individual bookmark and press the Delete button. Select the video title and press the Delete or Clear button to delete all the bookmark. From the Bookmarks menu, choose the option to view the bookmarks as thumbnails. You can also choose to play bookmarks as separate files in the playlist.